Good morning. I welcome you. The next our new session, our new topic of first year English grammar is question tag. I think we all know what is a question tag, how to write answer for question tags. Is it clear? I think you have learned in 10th class. Okay, so it is for 1 mark in intermediate English. So question tag. What is a question tag? Question tag is a short form of question. Question tag is what is a short form of question. It is a short form. A short form of question attached to the end of the statement is called question tag. Is it clear? Question tag is a short form of a question attached to the end of the statement to make question is called question tag. Question tag is different and interrogative is different. Interrogative has subject, verb, object. But of course it has a subject, verb, object, but that is called statement. That is not entire call, is not tag. Tag is means a short form which is added to the end of the statement is called a question tag. I will make you clear. Is my dog. This is a positive. How can you make negative? Interrogative. Is he my dog? Is he my dog? This is called interrogative. Is he my dog? Are they going to market? This is called question. This is called interrogative. It is not question. It is not a question tag. What is a question tag? It is a short form of a question added to the end of the statement is called a question tag. That is the difference between question tag and the interrogative. Question tag and the interrogative. I think it's a clear to all. Okay, question tag I will make it clear. This is called question tag. It is added. What is that? It is a positive, so that tag will be negative. Isn't he? This is called question tag. Is my dad? Isn't he? Isn't he? See, question tag's answer is what is it? Yes or no? Is my dad? Isn't he? Adar ma dad kada. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Yes or no? If he is your dad, you can say yes. If he is not your dad, you can say no. The answer for question tag is no or yes. It is used for approval of the statement. It is used for approving the statement. Okay, that is. So that is called question tag. If the statement is positive, if the given statement is positive, positive means when there is no negative form like not, never, no, hardly, scarcely, rarely, rare. Okay. So these are called what is the negative form? No, not, never, hardly, scarcely, rare. Okay, these are called what is that? All are called what is that? Negative forms. Without having these forms, that statement is called positive. The statement is positive, tag will be negative. The given statement is positive, the tag will be negative. The statement is negative. The second one is if statement is negative, the tag will be positive. Opposite one. When the statement is negative, tag will be positive. When the statement is positive, tag will be negative. So that is, and this tag, every tag starts with the B form, and ends with pronoun along with the question mark. This is in this way. Every tag will be starts with B form and ends with pronoun, only pronouns, not nouns, along with the question mark, that is. And come to the first example. Is my teacher. Is it a positive statement or negative statement? It is a positive because there is no negative form. He is not my teacher, that is called a negative statement. It is a positive statement, so that the tag will be negative. Okay, statement is positive, tag will be negative. So every tag starts with what is the B form. What is the B form here? Is the B form. Is the B form. So write only is. It is a positive, so that we have to use negative. Don't use the complete form of not. You have to use the short form isn't. So what is the pronoun here? He. This is called. This is the answer. This is the answer. Isn't he? Is my teacher? Isn't he? Adri kada. Adri my teacher kada. So that is. Next is not my teacher. Look at the statement. Is it positive or negative? It's a negative because there is a not. After finding the statement is positive or negative, you have to look at the B form. What is the B form here? Is, I think you know that B forms are 24. Okay, is, am, are, was, were, as, have, had, will, shall, can, may, might, could do, should do, would do, had to, has to, have to. These are all. Do, does, did. So these are all called B forms. So tag starts with what is the B forms. It's a negative, so the tag will be positive. Statement is negative, tag will be positive. So that is, don't need not to write not because it is a negative. So that only pronoun is he. Okay, so that is Raj's parents are very industrious. Raj's parents are very industrious. See, is it a positive statement or negative statement? It's a positive statement. So that the B form is are. You have to start with are. It's a negative. It's a positive. So that aren't. Aren't. Now the subject. What is the subject here? Rajesh. Not the Rajesh. Totally Rajesh parents. Don't write totally. What is that? The subject there? Rajesh parents. It is a noun. You have to change into pronoun. Rajesh parents. What is that pronoun? It is a third person plural. So what is the third person plural? They. You have to write here they. Aren't they? Aren't they? Come here. All boys are not lazy. So look at the statement. Negative. Statement is negative and the B form is are. When the statement is negative, the tag will be positive. So that are. So all boys. Don't write all boys. So which person it is? There is no I, we, you. So it is third person plural. So the third person plural. What is the pronoun third person plural? They. Are they? Because statement is negative. Come to the next one. She has a scooty. She has a scooty. As have used in present tense, simple present tense. Okay, so you can write this one also. What is it, positive or negative? Positive, so that as and see, are, doesn't see. This is the answer. This is the right. This is the B form. You can start with the B form, no problem. But it's a present tense. Present tense hidden B forms are already explained. Out of the hidden B forms in simple present tense, do, does. Third one similar, so that we have to use does. Am I right? Okay, you can start the B form question tag with the B right B form as no problem. Or hidden B form, what is that? Does, no problem. Okay. Next, I don't have money. I don't have enough money or money. So negative statement is negative. B form is what is that? Do. B form is a do. So it is a statement negative, so that tag will be positive. So what is the subject? I. Do I. Do I. Okay. Suppose there is no don't. What is that? I have money. How can we make negative? Sorry, tag haven't I? That is the one. And hidden B forms do, does. What is the right B form here? Do is the right B form because subject is first person singular. When the subject is third person singular, you can use does. When the subject is first person singular and plural, second person singular and plural, third person plural, you can use do. You can use the do. This is the answer. I hope you could understand. Okay, and come to the next one. God has given him a baby. God has given him a pretty baby, or a healthy baby, or a healthy baby. So, what is the subject? God is the subject. Don't write God. What is the pronoun for the God? He. So, what is the be form? As. Okay. So, don't use the same. What is that? As here. Don't take. Or you can use as there. The be form is as. But don't use does there because it is a present perfect. When there is only has, have or had, that is only has and have, that is called present tense. When there is only had, that is called past tense. Has or have plus V3, had plus V3, that is called present perfect and past perfect. Had plus V3, past perfect. As plus or has or have plus V3, that is called present perfect. So what is the be form here? Has is the be form. So tag statement is negative, positive, tag will be negative, as in. So what is the pronoun? He. Third person singular, so that he, male. We haven't done this. It is a present perfect. Have plus V3. Here has plus V3. So present perfect and present perfect. The tag statement is negative. The tag will be positive. So what is the be form? As or have only. Have we. Have we. Don't use have, us, only, subject forms only. I forget to explain one more thing. It is the object place, but we don't use object forms in objective place of question tag. In object place of question tag, we have to use the subjective form in object place of question tag. We don't use him here. We have to use he only. We don't use him only here. What is that? He only. Don't use them. We have to use their subject form like that. Next one. You are my hero. It is a past tense. Be form is were. It is a positive, so that the statement will be negative. Weren't you? This bird had babies. This bird had babies. Had like this. This is a present tense. Had, only had is past tense. Had plus V3 plus a past perfect. Had. This bird had. You can write hadn't hit. Hadn't hit. But the hidden be from a past tense is did. You can use didn't hit. Hadn't hit or didn't hit. Okay, is it clear? Did is a past tense be form, hidden be form of past tense did. Okay, it is a past tense. So only had is past tense. Only were and was are also past tense. Simple past tense. They didn't have books. It is a negative statement, past tense. What is the right be form? Don't think this be form. This is the right be form. It is the main verb. Okay, it is the verb. It is the be form, so that it is a negative statement, so that positive. It C will complete. Simple future will become won't. Negative form. Won't see. Here won't negative. The positive one will see. Will see. This is it clear question tag? This is the first session. In the next session I will explain the difficulties in question tag. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next session.